Whether your hair is natural, relaxed, transitioning, braided, under a wig, or constantly in protective styles, this video is for you. Because healthy hair is not just about expensive products or viral trends, it's about understanding what your hair truly needs to grow, stay strong, and thrive. So before you spend money on another product, before you blame your genetics, and before you give up on your hair journey completely, watch this video to the very end because one simple tip in this routine could save your hair from years of breakage, thinning, and damage. So let's get into it. The first thing we need is store-bought shampoo. Next, we have apple cider vinegar. This helps balance the scalp's pH level. It removes product buildup and keeps the scalp feeling fresh and clean. Moving on, we have onions. I'll be using white onions, but red or purple onions work perfectly too. Onions are rich in sulfur, which is known to support healthier, stronger looking hair. Next is our jojoba oil. This is a lightweight and nourishing oil that helps moisturize the scalp without weighing it down. Then we have argan oil. If you don't have argan oil, you can also use coconut oil, almond, avocado, or any nourishing oil that works well for your hair. And finally, we'll be adding our cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, coffee powder or cinnamon sticks can also work as substitute. And if you have watched up to this point, welcome to Tina's Hair and Beauty family. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a sweet comment down below. Your support helps YouTube recommend this video to more people struggling with hair breakage, thinning, and slow hair growth. And also on your notification bell so you never miss any upload like Start this. By slicing your onions into smaller pieces. Onions are one of the most underrated ingredients when it comes to healthy hair care. They are naturally rich in sulfur, which helps support stronger looking hair. They reduce breakage and improve the overall condition of the scalp. Onions also help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can help nourish the hair follicles and support healthier hair growth over time. If you struggle with excessive shedding or weak edges, or your hair thins a lot or slow hair growth, onion treatment may help strengthen the hair roots and reduce hair fall when used. Another amazing benefit of onions is that they contain antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help keep the scalp cleaner, healthier, and less prone to buildup and irritations. Onions can also help improve the appearance of dull, lifeless hair by making the hair look shinier, fuller, and more nourished. And for people dealing with dry scalp or flakes, onions may help soothe the scalp and support a healthy environment for hair growth. As mentioned earlier, onions contain sulfur, so always include onions. So now we move to our next ingredients, which is when add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps stimulate the scalp. It supports healthy looking hair. They reduce breakage and helps the hair appear fuller, thicker over time. Now we'll go ahead to the next ingredients, which is our apple cider vinegar. This helps cleanse the scalp, remove product buildup, reduce flakes, and soothe itchy scalp. Apple cider vinegar is one of the best ingredients for maintaining a healthy scalp environment. It helps balance the scalp's natural pH level, which is very important for keeping the hair healthier, smoother, and easy to manage. Apple cider vinegar also helps reduce product buildup, excess oil, dirt, and residue that can block the hair follicles and affect healthy hair growth. If you struggle with itchy scalp, dandruff, flakes, or excessive scratching, apple cider vinegar may help soothe and refresh the scalp while leaving it feeling cleaner and lighter. After that, we'll move on to our oils. First, add a few drops of argan oil. A little goes a long way and it helps reduce dryness and breakage while adding moisture and shine. Next is jojoba oil. Personally, one of my favorite oils because it's lightweight, nourishing, and helps keep the hair soft and moisturized without making it greasy. Finally, adding our shampoo. The reason we are combining these ingredients with shampoo is to create a more nourishing wash routine that supports healthier looking hair. while helping reduce breakage and thinning. So if your hair has been shedding excessively, breaking constantly, or refusing to retain length, you should definitely try this mixture. Once everything is added, mix thoroughly and close the container lightly. You can store it in your bathroom and use it anytime you wash your hair. And no, I personally do not strain mine because I like all the ingredients working directly on my scalp. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to give your baby girl a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, and anyone currently struggling with hair journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Please stay safe, stay confident, and keep taking care of your hair. I'm rooting for you. Bye.